Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? Hopefully my all friends will be okay. I'm also okay. Alhamdulillah. Thanks of my Allah. So let's back to our video. Today I'm going to share with you very impressive and very attractive ideas, cutest and stylish ideas, beautiful short pixie and amazing pixie hair cutting ideas. It's a lovely hair cutting ideas, lovely pixie hair cutting ideas and hairstyling ideas for ladies and girls. So please keep watching my video and keep supporting my channel. You can see in this video beautiful short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy and spiky pixie also. So fantastic and fabulous beautiful short pixie, shaggy, edgy, messy, spiky and also amazing pixie and also fantastic bob haircut. So don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video with your family and friends. It's a stylish and super duper ideas and amazing ideas, beautiful short pixie. So my dear friends, when you visit my channel you can get many more ideas about beautiful short pixie. It's a trending fashion, famous fashion, popular fashion ideas. Attractive and inspiring ideas about beautiful short pixie. You can easily try and apply this beautiful short pixie on your own hair, and you can easily try. When you try this pixie, you look like a beautiful girl, like model and modern girl, and also fantastic girl. We then try short pixie. So please don't skip my video and don't forget sharing this video. Beautiful, amazing short pixie, long pixie, shaggy pixie, edgy pixie, messy pixie and spiky pixie also. So guys, you can easily try and apply these beautiful pixie hair cutting ideas and amazing hair cutting ideas, fantastic hair cutting and hairstyling ideas, pixie hair cutting ideas. When you my channel, visit my channel, you can get many more ideas about beautiful bob haircut, like a long bob, short bob, graduate bob, tag bob and also amazing bob haircut ideas. Okay my dear friends, now I have to go. Bundle of thanks for watching my video, support my video. See you again till the next video.